In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, the most gracious, the most merciful. A man with living in a bachelor accommodation. His accommodation used to be dirty. Although he was a nice man, good looking man, usually keeping one's clothes clean. But this man, but this man's bachelor accommodation was not clean. It often striked his mind. It often came to his mind that my accommodation should be clean. I should be able to keep my accommodation clean. I should be able to keep my accommodation clean. But he could not do that. Then one idea came to his mind, and the idea was a beautiful one. A doctor Sahab visited his accommodation and had a dinner with him. Three people visited his accommodation. Three people were invited over the dinner. One of them was the Doctor Sahib. And the Doctor Sahib said that my grandfather, my Dadaji, advised me one thing. Once, when I was a school child, my Dadaji, my grandfather, advised me to read and to learn one word of English from the English dictionary on a daily basis. Learning one word from a dictionary, learning one word from an English dictionary on a daily basis, it is quite easy. It is not difficult at all. It is not difficult at all, but it is very useful for the people who want to learn English, and even for the people who want to learn Arabic. If they learn just one word from the Arabic dictionary on a daily basis, after the passage of few months, the Arabic learner, the English learner, if they come across an English or Arabic text, they will be able to understand it up to an extent. But after the passage of few years, they will become an English learner will become quite good in English learning. An Arabic learner will become quite good in Arabic learning. Those who want to keep their accommodation clean enough, it will be very easy for them to succeed to somehow to keep their accommodation clean. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do, you can do it on a daily basis. This is a simple formula, but this simple formula is applicable on, without exaggeration, on hundreds, dozens and dozens and dozens of things. Whatever you want to do, whatever you want to do, it might not be applicable on hundreds of things, but it is very much applicable on dozens and dozens and dozens of things. So that is why I call it a golden formula. Somebody want to keep one's accommodation clean, she should spend few minutes only on a daily basis in cleaning one object or a small part of the floor randomly, taking one object randomly out of your apartment, in your apartment, at your bachelor accommodation, just taking one object randomly and then cleaning it. Take another a part of the floor randomly and cleanse it, or do the first simple coating of first simple, which could be accomplished in few minutes only, cleaning your floor not so clean, but at least remove some of the dirt from there. Whatever suits you, whatever you think is feasible, without going into the very detail of it. The details can be done, the details can be settled by a person on one's own, but the basic idea is the same. Spend few minutes, spend randomly. If you do have an order, if you do have a plan, then you can do it according to your plan. But unless and until you don't have a plan, you don't have an order, then the simplest ever formula is the simplest ever formula is to spend few minutes and to spend few minutes but do it on a regular basis. You can do it randomly without any sort of regimentation. Without any sort of regimentation, you can do it on daily basis. Without doing it without the regimentation of it, you can do it on daily basis. It is as simple as this one. No complication at all. But let me tell you, let me assure you that it is one of the best formulas. It is not only one of the best formulas, rather, it is the best formula ever, maybe. For accomplishing something, for maintaining something. It is very much applicable on your vehicle as well. If at all you want to keep your vehicle clean, if at all you want to spend some of your time on the vehicle, you can do it on regular basis. Spend few minutes and spend it regularly and spend it randomly. Doing it in a random way is easier, but you should try to draw a plan as well. You should try to draw an order as well. You should try to do the regimentation of this work as well. Thank you.